could you tell me about Riya and Zumair from?
I really can't. He was a cartoon. I never took him seriously. I never took him seriously for a long time till we started dating. You know, he's a pretty Punjabi boy. So I never took him seriously. And then when we started dating, I feel like it was a very different person than how I've known him.
I'm used to dealing with more of the physical discomfort. I can handle pretty well. She's used to, she can handle the emotional stuff a little better than me. Like when I'm flipping my shit, she's the one who's mitigating everything and keeping me calm, basically. Yeah, everything I do is for her.
ये कैसी मुलाकात है, जैसे सदियों से तुम मेरी जान हो। अब कैसे मैं ये समझाऊं, कितने अरसों से तुम्हारा ही मुझे इंतजार है।
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। ओम गणपतये नमः।
She's very kind, caring, loving. अपना ध्यान जितना नहीं रखती उतना दूसरों का रखती है. Like for family, for mother, father, brother, dadi, everybody. She's very caring.
Very special kid, I must say that. Not now. Even when she was 6 months, 10 months, 1 year old. She was a lovely kid. She was one of the most caring person and very, I would say, loving person.
गलियां की पीठ पे लचके तेरी सुपर डुपर कमरिया हाथ में डाले हाथ नचेंगे सारी रात आज मिला है हमको सुपर सुपर सांवरिया दाएं से थोड़ा बाएं से हो आज हिला दे सारी दुनिया जब देखो बना दी लाल पीली अखियां जब देखो बना दी लाल पीली अखियां मैं नहीं डरता भले ही डरो अखियां मैं नहीं डरता भले ही डरो अखियां
like this, make it knock like this.
जाने ना जाने तू हाँ जाने है जमाना जी नजरें उलझा के हमें तुमको उलझाना जी आए ना हाथ आए ना ओ चल चल रे चल ओ बुझा दिया
Funny. He was very funny. He was a cartoon. He used to tease me all the time. He used to say, "Hey, item."
Sumer, hi. How
You don't know what I'm going through. I've come back from a 12-hour flight.
flight? Yeah.
I didn't have a layover.
And I got up at 4 in
I
the
got up
morning.
at 4 in the morning.
Dog's
You don't know
life.
what it's like. Y'all don't understand. Let me go to my room. I want to
and
call
then-
Ria.
Yeah, and then yeah.
Yeah.
She's a stress buster, I think.
So we it's quite comical in that sense. So she came back from Switzerland. I had also just about started flying and everything. So I messaged her. We were friends, like we were good friends through school. Like even then we used to meet pretty often and all that. So I told her, let's catch up, let's meet, let's have some beers. So we came to my house. So we started drinking and everything.
रांझा पल्ले दे मोर ना मंगा येरा रांझा पल्ले दे मोर ना मंगा येरा रांझा पल्ले दे मोर ना मंगा येरा रांझा पल्ले दे मोर ना मंगा रांझा पल्ले दे और ना मंगा तेरा रांझा पल्ले दे और ना मंगा तेरा रांझा पल्ले दे और ना मंगा तेरा रांझा पल्ले दे और ना मंगा
Are you going to cry?
No, why should I cry?
I mean, we all have a very different, like in my house, everyone has a very different way of, put it blankly, a different tangent of life. You know, I do something else, my mom does something else, Sarah does something else, my dad does something else. But I think at the end of the day, we're all there for each other, like, no matter the disagreements and the fights, we're there for each other.
Yeah, we sent him to flying school when he was 18. I think it was a bit of extra enthusiasm on a part. He was young. He was not happy going there. We pushed him because we thought it was good for him. I hope he's happy because of that today. So when I went to meet him there, first time, he saw me and really started crying, and I also cried. But my wife said no. He has to become a pilot. He has to be there, get it done. After that, what he wants to do is his thing. We put him through it. It took some time, effort from the parents and Sumer, and I hope he's happy today because of that. Retrospect, I think we may have pushed him a little bit, but ठीक है, and he's got a career today. He's a pilot. I'm sure he's happy.
I think I am here, whatever I do is for her, and I'm here because of her.
It's so good.
मेरा तुझसे
है पहले का नाता कोई यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई, जाने तू या जाने ना, जाने तू या माने ना.
माँ
रिया की जान बोलते हैं ना, रिया की
Any
जान है
message
वो.
for you? Don't laugh or cry.
उसका
Be
भाई
serious.
उसकी जान है.
Hey, you look very nice too, Nish.
Thank you. Right where you think.
Good, nice.
Sure.
Nish, once the Fulo ki chadar is over,
Yes, I have to walk with you.
She'll kill me for this, but wasting food. Okay, scratch that. Leaving things around, or rather leaving like this cup of water will lie in the same place for 2 days, and I don't pick it up just to have fun with it.
Yeah, I like Sumer always. Like when he was Riya's friend, that time also he's very sweet.
Oh, absolutely sweet.
Yeah.
And he's blended with us so
They are like
effortlessly.
made for each other.
I think they have good chemistry.
Yeah.
They're made for each other.
Sumer and I feel like I like to look after him, and he likes to look after me. And we just rely on each other to do that in the most gentle way, not in an overbearing way, not in a way that like, I need your time and your attention and I need you to do things for me. It's just him being there is him looking after me.
आँखें मिली तुमसे जो थी वो पल हंसी तुम सा गया है लाज़मी मेरी खुशी एहसास ये है जो नया जाने कैसे नजर ने तेरी निशाने हाथ दागे हैं सब कुछ नया सा है हर पल हंसी और नए से इरादे हैं किस्से सुने थे जो हीरो और रांझा कि सच वो अब लागे हैं जाने ये कैसे नजर ने तेरी निशाने याद आ गए हैं
I don't know what happened. It was just we started texting each other pretty often, quite frequently. Then the texting began to video calls, and I'm like, what's happening? Okay, this is interesting. Then we went for a couple of movies together, and not dates, but just the two of us. And I'm thinking, okay, she's giving me attention.
आँखों से मैंने कही है दिल की कहानी मेरी, होठों से जो बात मैं कह न पाऊं इशारों में तूने सुनी। किस्मत से मुझको मिले तुम और जिंदगानी बनी। तेरे हवाले करूं वक्त सारा, तेरे नाम ही पल सभी। जब से मिले हो दिन में उजाले, शामें हंसी हैं लगे। अगर तुम नहीं तो कोई बताए कैसे गुजारा करे तुमसे। हरदम रहे बस मेरा वास्ता, ओ मेरी जान तुमसे। हरदम रहे बस मेरा वास्ता, ओ मेरी जान। फिक्रें लिए मैं चला था, तू चैन बन के चली। जो सांस मैं बेवजह ले रहा था वो तू लाज़मी कर गई। वापस वहीं लौट जाए जहां मेरी बाहों में थी। बाहें तेरी और सांसों में मेरी महक तेरी सांसों की थी। जब से मिले हो दिन में।
Yeah, she's quite when it comes to being emotional, she's quite held back in the house, I think. So my father's, again, he brings out the emotions. My mother's overly emotional. I'm emotional today, otherwise I'm not this emotional. She's the one who kind of balances the household in that sense.
ओ मेरी जान तुमसे हरदम मिले बस मेरा रास्ता, ओ मेरी जान।
I didn't think we would end up together, but I knew that we would at the same time.
जिस पल थे मिले हम पहली दफा, तब से दिल ये मेरा है फिसल गया। बीते ना कोई दिन मेरा यूं, बातें ना हो जिसमें तेरे हुस्न का ये जो नूर है रोशन कर दे सारी दुनिया मेरी। राहत जो मिले यूं साथ तेरे है मिलता सुकून, तू जब पास तेरे। करीब तेरे मैं
कभी भूलूं मेरे गम जो थे सभी नजरों में मेरे है तू बसी तू जो बनी है दुनिया मेरी तेरे हुस्न का ये जो नूर है रोशन कर दे सारी दुनिया मेरी खुश है दिल ये मेरा जो तू मिला हर पल साथ मेरा लगे हंसी राहत जो मिले यूं साथ तेरे है मिलता सुकून हूँ जब पास तेरे राहत जो मिले यूं साथ तेरे है मिलता सुकून हूँ जब पास तेरे
It happened very slowly, but at the same time, it happened very quickly also. I feel like I've never been around someone who